Welcome to our lesson on numbers in English. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about numbers in English for business. By the end, you will be able to say any number, any amount, any percentage, any date, and any price with confidence. Let us begin with the most important rule of all. In English, we read numbers in groups. Every group has 3 digits. For example, the number 1,234,567 is written as 1,234,567. We say it like this: 1,234,567. Notice that we do not say "and" between the hundreds and the thousands. We only say "and" when we are talking about fractions or decimals, and we will cover that later. Let us start with the building blocks. You must know the numbers 0 to 9 perfectly. 0 is the most common way to say the number 0 in business. In phone numbers, you might hear "O", but in finance and contracts, always say 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Practice these until they feel automatic. Now the tens. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Pay attention to 40. It has no letter U, F-O-R-T-Y, and 30 is not 3-tie. It is 30 with a soft ear sound. When we combine them, we use a hyphen. 21, 45, 99. Now we move to hundreds. 100, 200, 300. 150, or if you're in the UK, 150. Both are acceptable. In global business, the American style without "and" is more common for whole numbers. Now we come to the most critical part: big numbers. 1,000, 1 million, 1 billion. And here is a very important warning. In international business, 1 billion means 1,000 million, that is 9 zeros. In the past, British English used a different system, but today, almost every company in the world uses the American billion. So, 1 billion is always 1,000 million. When you read a long number, you split it into groups of 3 digits from the right. Take 4,567,890. You see the groups: 4, then 567, then 890. You say the first group, then the word million. The second group, then the word thousand. The third group, you just say the number. That is it. Now let us talk about decimals. In English, we use a point, not a comma. So 3.5, 0.25, 12.75. You say each digit after the point separately. You do not say 25 for 0.25. You say 2, 5. This is very important in business because a small mistake can change the entire value. However, there is one big exception. When the number is money, we do not say point. We say the currency and the cents. For example, $3.50 or simply 3.50, €12.75 or 12.75. But if it is a mathematical number like a statistic, then we say point, 3.5%, 0.75%. Now percentages. The symbol percent is always pronounced percent with the stress on the second syllable. 25%, 0.5%, 100%. In meetings, you will hear phrases like sales grew by 15% or the discount is 20%. Always say the number clearly, then percent. Now fractions. 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, 1/3, 2/3. In business, we often use fractions for ownership or market share. We own 1/2 of the company, we have 1/4 of the market. When the fraction is more than 1, we say 1.5 or 2 3/4. Now money. For US dollars, $1.25 or 1.25. For euros, €2.50 or 2.50. For British pounds, £3.20 or 3.20. Remember, with money, never say point. Always say the currency name or the word cents or pence. Now dates and years. Years are different from normal numbers. 1999, not 1999. 2000, 2001. 2010 or 2010. 2023, 2026. For years between 2000 and 2009, we say 2000 and then the number. For years from 2010 onward, we say 2010, 2011 and so on. For dates, be careful. In American English, we say month then day, June 5th, 2024. In British English, we say day then month, the 5th of June, 2024. To avoid confusion in business, always write the month as a word, June 5, 2024. That way, everyone understands. Now we have special business rules. First, when you say a whole number like 1,250, you do not say "and." You only say "and" when you have a fraction, like 1 1/4. Second, for shares and stocks, we say half a share. Third, for contracts, always read large numbers completely. Fourth, for order numbers, phone numbers and reference codes, say each digit one by one. Order 4582, phone 5550199. This avoids any misunderstanding. Fifth, the word per is very common. Per unit, per year, per person. And percent literally means per 100. Now we also use approximate numbers. About 100, around 50%, nearly 1,000, over 2 million. These are useful when you do not need an exact number. You will also hear common phrases. In the ballpark of 5 million means approximately 5 million. A ballpark figure is an estimate. Round up means increase to the next whole number. Round down means decrease. Net is the final amount after deductions. Gross is the total before deductions. And the bottom line is the final number. Now let us talk about pronunciation rhythm. In big numbers, you must stress the place names. Million, thousand, hundred. Say 4,500,000. This helps the listener hear the scale of the number. Finally, let us practice together. Read these out loud with me. 1,234, 99.9%, $4,567.89. $500,000, 2026, 0.75%. €1,000,000, 3/4. Order 6721. And finally, our profit grew by 12.5% last year. You now know everything about numbers in business English. The only way to get better is to practice every day. Read numbers from newspapers, financial reports, and contracts. Say them out loud. Soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for watching. And just in case I don't see you, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.